Hello, kids. This is Teacher Ed. Good evening. Now, I will give you the task that you need to do. All right. And then you will submit it online. So, what is the task? Please record a video doing the following pictures. You must demonstrate each picture after saying the sentence provided. Please tell your name in the video. Like this. Hi, my name is Teacher Ed, and I can brush my teeth. All right? So, you will do all of this. First, you will do I know how to clean. Next, I know how to fold my blanket. I know how to brush my teeth. I know how to wear my own clothes. I can eat my food by myself. And lastly, I can tie my shoes by myself. That's it. Please record the video and submit it online. Bye-bye.